Hello traders, this is Debraj again, and today is our 7th episode of Divergence series. Okay, so we are going to show you the same thing again and again. This could be sounding a little bit boring, okay, but the idea is to show you that the same setup every week. On each setup we're going to follow the same checklist. Okay, let's start. So last week we got on AUDUSD. AUDUSD price was going high, price was making higher, and RSI or whatever indicator you use can use TDI, you can use divergence indicator, any oscillator, whatever you use. You see price is making higher, and your indicator is making lower high, and this is happening above the levels. So that's also an interesting thing. The 70 and 30, your threshold values you're seeing. So this thing is also happening above your threshold high values. So that's also an added advantage. Okay, you're seeing price making higher, RSI is making lower high. So this is a perfect divergence. Now we will not be taking the trade if we don't get any order flow confluences, and from order flow footprint we need to see our 3 checklist every week we talk about. Okay, so this is the AUDUSD chart in futures which order flow looks into. 6A is Australian dollar futures chart, 30 minutes. Okay, now this is the area where we are seeing this divergence is happening. Let's check, does it match our checklists? We always look for 3 things. If it's a sell setup, then we'll be looking for buyer's trap, selling pressure, and strong delta. If these 3 things are there at our divergence, then definitely we are going to take this trade. Here what we have, okay, let's check. We have these buyers, 48 buy contracts, 58 buy contracts. These are trapped at the high of the candle, wick, right wick of the candle, because the candle closed bearish. So that means these were the last buyers who tried to push the market up, but the candle closed bearish. Even if you see this bullish candle, just this one, the last bullish candle, here also we are seeing this 22 buyers also got trapped here at the high of the candle. But here we cannot enter because we don't have our checklist. At this level we don't see our selling, those sell imbalances are coming. No, we are not seeing any sell imbalances coming here at this candle. So we are waiting next candle. Next candle we see, yes, again we are seeing the buyers are trapped here. 48 contracts, 58 contracts, buyers are trapped, and see how beautiful the sellers are joining. These are coming also the stack imbalance. 20, if you read the numbers, 20, 26, 25, 46, these all sellers are coming, bunch of sell lots contracts are joining to move the price down. So we got our 2 confluences, and third one is the delta. But look here, I'm not happy again with the delta here, because we want to see min delta should be stronger, but here we don't have. But on the next candle, which is the other one here, where also we see the algo detected, that's an extra confluence, algos are coming, and also we are seeing delta, min delta is very, very strong, minus 456. So that's the point we got our all the checklist met. I'm going to write it again. So idea is to show you every day, every setup we are taking for divergence should be same. So what we got here in this divergence setup, change the color. Trading is boring actually when you know what you have to do every day or every setup. This is our checklist. First, in this case, buyers, because it's a sell setup, so buyers trapped, selling pressure, third, delta negative. These three things we need to see, and if I match those confluences, you'd see here we got our buyers are trapped, sellers are joining here, also these were also sellers were joining, so that is our selling pressure, which is this one mainly, with a stack selling imbalance. And on the third candle we see deltas, min deltas are becoming very strong, so that matches our checklist 1 2 3. When it matches, the next candle, after this candle, it can be your entry. So that means that is the candle where delta also becoming very strong as minus 456 min delta. So after that candle, that means here is your entry, and your stop loss should be just above this candle, 2-3 ticks above, somewhere here. That's your stop loss here, and that's your entry after this candle when we see the deltas are also kicking in, the min deltas. So recap, it's a divergence setup on M30 AUDUSD. We're looking at 6A futures chart. We are seeing buyers are getting trapped here, sellers are joining with huge stack imbalance. On the next candle we see min delta is very strong, and let me also mention algos are detected here. We see these sellers are also coming here in a sequential order, so that means algos are also coming here. Maybe you can write like something, yeah, say algo detected. Hopefully you understood that we have our all three checklists and one extra confluence, that is algo, are also detected here. Here also we have some algos coming here, right? But in the next candle we are also having algo and the algo coming here, and this red candle, bearish candle with min delta strong. So that makes the trade, and if we just add it here, if we can take our position tool, risk reward tool, and if this can be your entry, because that was the candle when the min delta was very strong. So here we have bias trap, selling pressure, but we are waiting for the delta to be strong, and when we saw this delta was very strong at this level or after this candle, we can place our entry right after this candle close. Stop loss should be somewhere just here, which is 16 pips, and we will definitely take 3R. In this case we see this huge imbalance, that is can be a target, because fair value gap and imbalance can be used as a target. So, and you can see this trade easily gave you 3R. 5th of April this trade happened, I think last week. Yeah, so that's the trade I want to discuss. So this is our 7th episode, and we're going to do 3 more episodes on divergence. So it will be 10 episodes on divergence to show you every day, every week you can do this setup. Maybe you will not win 100%, but I can guarantee it is a 90% win rate if you follow my all instructions. If you follow the all instructions with the software, with those 3 checklists, then it is a 90% win rate strategy. And leave over the 10%, and you don't need to win 100%. And it has got a good win rate, at least 2 or 3 are you are getting. 2 hour 70% win rate with 2 hour is awesome to make money in this trading. And you have seen our channel also in TWL, okay, where we see that, okay, TWL and all, you always seen this is my channel, and I think from last 3 weeks we have not seen a loss. Okay, so yeah, so hope you liked it, and subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Have a nice trading week. Bye.